Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna be showing you how to take off your air filter. So if you come over here, what you're gonna need is a Phillips head screwdriver. If I can find one. Something like this. And a flathead and pop it off. So if you guys come over here, there's gonna be 4 screws you're gonna want to unscrew. Right along here. It's gonna be 4 of them. Alrighty guys, I got the 4 screws out. These short ones will be the top screw. The longer screws on the Yamaha PW80 are on the bottom here. So what you're gonna want to do, take your flathead. Now don't damage it, but you're just gonna want to try to pry it out. From the looks of it, somebody's already done this. Yep. There you go. I want to come over here. Just like that. There you go. Just gonna pry it out. I have to do it on the side too a little bit. There you go. And your air filter. This needs to be all cleaned out. And from the looks of it, the air filter is right here. And I need a new one. So this is your air filter. Yeah, you can't see through. See how you can't see through it? This filter's done. But yeah, you just gotta get your filter. I'll do a video on how to like spray these off and crap like that. So this is what the interior, the inside of your airbox look like. So I'm just gonna pop this back in so I can order my new air filter. So just pop it back in. Then you just bolt it back up. But if you guys like the video, please like and subscribe. And as always, peace out.